Let's look today at a mechanical pencil from Rite in the Rain. Hello everyone. Today a review of a new mechanical pencil, and by new I mean in its original packaging. I actually don't know if Rite in the Rain still makes and offers this pencil for sale. If I can find that information online, I will include it in the description. This is the only Rite in the Rain product I have ever owned. I know they have a number of mechanical pencils that they have made and sold, or had made for them and sold in different iterations, and this is one of them. This is the YE, I assume meaning yellow, 13 or 13. It says yellow pencil dark lead. And they have, as I said, other mechanical pencils in their line that you may want to check out. Their shtick, I guess their reason for existing, is creating writing materials that will withstand harsh conditions, weather, moisture, and the like. And they make notebooks and paper products, as well as writing utensils, pens and pencils, toward that purpose. If you are familiar with Rite in the Rain, I'm not telling you anything you don't already know. All-weather guarantee. Rite in the Rain all-weather products are unconditionally guaranteed against defects, etc., etc. Other products: bound books, loose leaf and binders, covers and kits, printer, copier sheets. They have a social media presence there. Made to survive. Here at the top it says it's a 1.3 millimeter lead in 2B dark lead. Defying Mother Nature is the tagline. A lot of material there on the front. Rust resistant materials, keep you working in any condition. Large grip, knurled for glove friendly handling. Riteintherain.com. So again, this is the only Rite in the Rain product I've ever owned. There are other mechanical pencils maybe someday I will get to. I started to open this when I first picked it up, but I thought, no, I'll wait until I do a review. And so sometime later I am getting to that. Let's go ahead and open it up. I hate to destroy such nice looking packaging, but don't know any other way to get at it. Let's see if I can do a minimal amount of damage here. I don't have enough fingernail. But I figure the pencil is designed to be mistreated. So, okay. So it looks like a plastic barrel, a thick plastic barrel. Has Rite in the Rain on it. It's in a hex shape. We have this pretty big textured grip made of metal that's quite heavy. A metal sleeve here. There's a clip that appears to be removable. It's also metal. Another bit of textured metal here at this end. And then a plastic housing for the eraser. The eraser appears to be proprietary. And that's where you would insert the lead, it appears, and it will hold, from what I can see, only one lead at a time. So as you use it up, you then have to replace it. There isn't one in the barrel. There's a real business-like feeling when you click it. It feels very sturdy, like you're really doing some work when you click that. Interesting. it is heavy. That is the first thing I notice. In fact, I'm going to guess it's nearly as heavy as a full box of sharp Riters, I would say. It's pretty close in feeling. So that must be a thick piece of metal they've got here. Also, the balance is a little bit odd. Very much weighted toward the writing, the business end, and away from the eraser end. So I bet when you're writing with that, it really feels it's adding pressure to the writing point because of the extra gravity, the extra weight going on there. It feels like an all business type pencil. 1.3 millimeter, number YE13. This did come in other colors. I've seen orange and green at least, and I presume probably black as well. I don't know. Again, I'll put a link if they still offer this for sale on their site. It is a tough mechanical pencil. So again, marketed as something to be used by those in the trades and in doing rough men's work out of doors and whatnot on the job site. So in trying out this pencil, I'm going to pretend that I work at something other than a desk job literal pencil pusher. So we'll get this pad of paper here that I found at a thrift shop, and we'll try a little writing with this mechanical pencil. So get a little bit of lead out here. It's advertised as 2B dark lead. Trying this at a funny angle because of the way I have my recording set up today, so I'm sorry for the lousy handwriting. So what I will say right off the bat, it's a really smooth lead for a mechanical pencil. Having the large 1.3 millimeter diameter has something to do with that, I'm sure. It's hard to tell on this pad of paper about the darkness. So let's compare it against something comparable. We looked at the Sharp Riter a moment ago. Here's a Papermate. Boy, the focus is really struggling today. Papermate. They've called these a couple of different things. It's a triangular, disposable, quote, disposable mechanical pencil with a triangular eraser. I like these, but also 1.3 millimeter, as you can hopefully see there. Let's just compare like versus like. Noticeable difference in the sound and the feel and the appearance. There's no question about that. When they say 2B and dark lead, they are not kidding. It is a nice writing pencil which I assume if you're out in the elements working night and day in the rain and sleet and fog and all of that, you want something that's going to write dark enough that you can see it. Again, as they make papers and notebooks and things of that character that are designed to be used in those weather conditions, maybe the soft lead formulation is designed to work with those as well. Although I think their notebooks and such say that any regular pencil will do. This is not a regular pencil. This is an irregular pencil, but one I quite like. The heaviness of it may get to you after a little while. There's a few things about this. The 1.3 millimeter lead, probably not the easiest to find replacements for other than through Rite in the Rain, or as you find one of these Papermate. But there's a difference between the lead in this and the lead in this, and this is far superior in my eyes. This one may be better for day-to-day writing in school or whatnot, because it's not going to wear through as quickly. So leads may be a little bit of a problem finding an exact replacement other than through Rite in the Rain, and I imagine you pay a premium on that. Same with the eraser, a proprietary. It doesn't look like a standard size eraser for a mechanical pencil, so probably have to order those through Rite in the Rain. Or suppose you were to find a substitute that was similar enough somewhere else. Probably do a full review on this pencil as well in the future. I'm not sure if it's a case of one company absolutely ripping off the other, or if Nick Pro has been making this pencil and Rite in the Rain contracted them to make special Rite in the Rain versions for themselves. Couldn't tell you, but pretty sure that's the exact same pencil. And this set I was able to find comes with extra graphite, 3 tubes of it, erasers, 3 pencils, and the proprietary erasers, which I thought was interesting. It comes with the plastic housing altogether, so you just replace the entire end of the pencil, plastic housing and all, when you replace the eraser. I didn't test out the eraser. Maybe I should before I wrap up this review. So I guess my point here is you might be able to find alternatives for replacements for the graphite and for the eraser, perhaps at a lower cost. Let's see how the Rite in the Rain eraser works. With a dark lead, you're going to experience some trouble. It's not bad. It's actually not bad for a mechanical pencil. The housing here feels a little bit wobbly. You kind of got to grip the plastic housing while you're erasing, or it might kind of fall off. Also, I feel like I used a good millimeter of that eraser, just erasing that tiny little bit. So maybe that's a something you go through quickly. So it's good to have some replacements, I suppose. I'm not one who generally uses erasers on my pencil anyway. I keep a block eraser handy for that purpose. But if you're out in the field, I guess carrying less things, there's an importance to that. Let's compare it before we go to the iconic Pentel P205, just so you get a sense of the size. Again, the weight difference is really noticeable. This is a light mechanical pencil. This is heavy duty. This feels like you're really doing work giving a workout to your fingers and your wrist, I guess. Interesting concept. I think they do a pretty good business with police and firemen and contractors, things like that. I think you can buy these at Home Depot, or you could when they were being offered. Again, maybe they still are. I don't really know. I'll try to put that information in the description. The Rite in the Rain YE13, or I guess 13 series of pencils. A serious mechanical pencil for serious workers. Thanks for watching this review, and I hope to see you here again next time.